Kericho Governor Dr. Eric Mutai has survived an impeachment at the Senate on a technicality of failure by the County Assembly to raise two-thirds required by law. 34 out of the 44 senators in the House voted to have the proceedings terminated after the governor raised objections on the floor. Stephen Leto has more.
The Speaker is expected to. In a precedent-setting decision by the Senate, a majority of the senators voted in favor of a preliminary objection that had been lodged by Kericho Governor Dr. Eric Mutai's legal team. Governor Mutai told the Senate that the County Assembly did not meet the two-thirds threshold when they approved the impeachment motion against him. 31 MCAs out of 47 voted for the motion to impeach him, falling short of the threshold.
The second issue for determination then is whether, as contended by the governor, the threshold of two-thirds required at the County Assembly was not met. Related to this question is whether this is a question of fact, necessitating evidence to be adduced.
Senators engaged in hours of debate over the objection by the governor before the Speaker gave them the final say.
When it comes now to 31.3, the science math says there is no half person, so it should have been 32. The 0.3 is always becomes the whole person, which it should be 32.
31 MCAs did vote to impeach the governor, and 16 did not vote, which equivalents that number to 47.
The question that probably would have needed a judicial review even long before it came to this place, Mr. Speaker. Because constitutionally, this question of two-thirds has never confronted the country.
When the matter got to a vote, 34 senators voted to uphold the objection, while 10 voted against it. This meant that the impeachment proceedings stood terminated.
On the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai, the governor of Kericho County hereby terminates. And the Senate now stands adjourned.
The Kericho governor breathing a sigh of relief after surviving the impeachment proceedings. The governor had also told the Senate that there was a court order stopping the Senate from processing the impeachment, but that fell flat as the Senate Speaker said a House of Parliament cannot be injuncted by the courts. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.